I saw a drought so big, so big. Winds dry, hot, no plants. During this uprising of the drought was the uprising of insects, locusts, grasshoppers, big ones, and little grasshoppers, and ants, and bugs. Every kind of insect that eats a green thing was eating anything that they could find that existed, that they could even call, used to be green. And there was no food for us because of this drought, and our children are starving to death. This time, folks, Africa's coming here. Lots of bugs, lots and lots of bugs. Lots of drought, strange weathers. I see great snowstorms, great ice, great cold. The East Coast was really bad. I saw lots of freight cars draped in black cloth. A lot of dying. These freight cars were loaded with bodies, men and women and children. Starved bodies. Bodies sick from strange diseases that have died. Oh, that East Coast, it gets hit real hard, really hard. And the freight trains haul the bodies because they're dying so dang fast. No caterpillar can keep up with digging holes. And then they go back and get more. And more, and more, and more. You wonder if it'll ever end. It's going to be all across the USA. Sure, it's going to get hit hardest from the East Coast. At least the trains are coming from that way. But I'll guarantee you, death is going to be so great in the United States. Earthquakes. All over the place. And these earthquakes are going to be gigantic. And they're so many, so big, that it affects the whole land called North America. God help our planet. God help your souls. Fear. Skies. Ugly in color. Oh, a light blue-gray is a wonderful day. But dark, filthy gray, even black, like coal dust in the wind blowing in a slow breeze. The airs will be strange, the skies will be dust and dirt, but you don't see the sun really anymore. It was like the air was poison or something. It's not pretty. It's not pretty. Our mother is so sick and tired of us not giving thanks, just taking, not considering all the love that put out by her own heartbeat to help to feed us. And the Creator calls repent. That word means turn away from. Repent ye sinners. Again, the word sinners means disobedience to God. And the Creator is pounding down at this very moment to the hearts of all the people on this planet. Turn away from disobeying me. Turn away from disobeying me. You want to live, and tell you the truth, Turn away from disobeying the Creator. Repent, ye sinners,